washing the right and left side of the body, and the conditions of ghusl. After washing the head and neck, one should then wash the right side and then the left side of the body. It is better to completely wash the private parts when washing both the right side and left. All of the conditions of wudu must be adhered to in ghusl as well. For example, the water should be tahir and not usurped. There should be enough time, and one should have the intention of getting closer to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. According to the verdicts of most marjas, it is not necessary to wash from top to bottom in ghusl. Also, if time elapses between two parts of the ghusl, it's not a problem. For example, if the water shuts off after washing one part of the body, one can finish it later. In other words, the three parts of ghusls don't need to be done one right after the other, whereas in wudu, it is necessary. It is not necessary to wash the parts of the ghusl one right after the other, but until one finishes the ghusl, they can perform the actions in which ghusl is conditioned. The body must be tahir while performing ghusl. Of course, one may make the body tahir while performing ghusl.